The Toyota Yaris not only won the title of the best car of 2021, but also earned the titles of the highest-selling and most reliable car in Europe. They announced the latest model just a month ago, but it didn't really impress me. I preferred the previous version of the Toyota Yaris and saw much more potential in its appearance and lines, so with the help of artificial intelligence, I designed my own new Toyota Yaris just as I imagined it. This version features completely aggressive air intakes at the front and LED strip lights, which look incredibly good. The side skirts and the front bumper extension look great too. In my opinion, it's unbelievably good looking. The second version is much more restrained and elegant. This Yaris is the result of combining elements from the Ford Mondeo and Maserati. What I really like is the protruding front bumper and the integrated daytime running lights. The third design is based on Alfa Romeo design elements. It's sufficiently aggressive and futuristic. I think it looks great, with the Toyota logo and grille standing out in the middle. The fourth design relies much more on the original. The front grille has become much larger, while the headlight has received an arch that I think adds a lot to it. The side curve is a bit exaggerated, but the design is still great overall. The basis for the fifth version was Lamborghini. It features a beautiful arch on the front bumper, and the headlight design is entirely unique. The side curve is a bit exaggerated here too, but overall, this design is fantastic as well. This version is much more restrained. The LED strip on the front air intake looks good, and so do the two membranes on the hood. As for the back, I don't know what that is. For this version, I used the 2017 Toyota 86 as the base, but I rounded the front even more and made it protrude more. I like how the air intake adapts to this protrusion. This is a further development of the previous version. The front is less rounded and the nose reaches the bumper. The air intakes have also become more elegant. With these headlights, this design has become much more aggressive. Lastly, I made two versions that resemble the original Toyota Yaris much more closely. Here, I kept the main design lines and played around with them a bit. For the last version, I deviated a bit more from the base model. I made the grille smaller and rounded the curves even more. The headlights have become much more aggressive. I also slightly raised the side skirt. That's all for now. Write in the comments which Toyota Yaris you like the most and what kind of videos you'd like to see on the channel. Thank you so much for watching today's adventure in AI-generated art. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.